Welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today we're getting into a core part of branding that most people rush through, choosing your brand vibe and voice. Your brand vibe is the energy people feel when they interact with your content, your offers, and your presence. Your brand voice is how you express that vibe through your words, your tone, and your style of communication. Together, they either attract the right audience effortlessly, or they confuse them and push them away. Choosing your vibe starts with asking yourself, how do I want people to feel when they come into my world? Energized? Empowered? Safe? Sophisticated? Seen? The feeling you want to evoke becomes the anchor for everything you create. If you want your brand to feel bold and powerful, your visuals, your messaging, and your delivery need to match that energy. If you want your brand to feel warm and nurturing, your content should feel inviting, personal, and supportive. Your voice comes next. Your voice is not just what you say, it's how you say it. Are you casual or polished, direct or playful, soulful or analytical? Your brand voice should feel like a natural extension of who you are, slightly amplified for clarity and consistency. You don't need to sound like everyone else in your niche. In fact, sounding different is often your greatest advantage. The biggest mistake new brands make is trying to mimic what's trending instead of building a vibe and voice that's true to them. Trends fade. Authenticity compounds. If you choose a vibe and voice that's rooted in who you are, you'll be able to scale it sustainably without ever feeling like you're performing. Final tip. Your vibe is the frequency your brand broadcasts. Your voice is the way you carry that frequency into words. Choose them intentionally, and you'll attract the right people long before you ever pitch them.